If you've ever needed to make your PowerPoint slides look more polished and professional, one of the simplest formatting tricks you can learn is how to do a hanging indent. This is especially useful for citations, references, bullet-style explanations, and any paragraph where you want the first line to stay aligned while the rest of the lines move inward. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do a hanging indent on PowerPoint in just a few easy steps. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide that contains the text you want to format. Click and drag to select the text box or highlight the specific paragraph you want to change. This is important because the hanging indent will only apply to the selected text. Once your text is selected, look at the top menu and go to the View tab. In the View menu, find the option called Ruler and turn it on. If the ruler is not enabled, you won't be able to adjust the indent markers, so this step is essential. As soon as the ruler appears, look closely at the left side of the ruler above your slide. You'll see the indent controls, and this is where the magic happens. There are two main parts you need to focus on. The top triangle controls the first line indent, and the bottom rectangle controls the rest of the lines in the paragraph. To create a hanging indent, you want the first line to stay aligned to the left, while the remaining lines move slightly to the right. So first, adjust the top triangle if needed, so the first line stays where you want it. Then drag the bottom rectangle to the right. This shifts all the lines into the paragraph except the first one, creating that hanging indent look. If your indent doesn't look right the first time, don't worry. Just fine-tune the position by moving the top triangle and bottom rectangle until it matches the spacing you want. The key is that the first line remains left aligned, while the lines underneath are indented inward. This formatting style is perfect for reference lists, long bullet points, and any text where you want a cleaner, more structured appearance. Once you get used to it, it only takes a few seconds to do. So again, the quick process is select the text, go to View, enable the ruler, then use the ruler markers to move the first line and the rest of the lines into the correct position. And that's how you do a hanging indent on PowerPoint. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple PowerPoint tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.